Hello, Ash Fireflame here, and I'm going to be doing a little series type thing where I have my character be a traveler. This is peaceful mode, so I don't need to worry about enemies. And I'll just kind of travel the world, see what biomes I discover in it. And so far, I like this little area. I didn't choose a specific seed, I just kind of chose whatever it gave me, and I really like this. So basically, I'm going to be collecting resources. I really like the bundles that they have, so I'm going to be utilizing those a lot once I get the stuff to make them. And oh, I didn't realize they have these little kind of grass-like things. But yeah, I'm going to be going through and making random like shelter areas as I go. But I won't stay at those shelters long term. It'll only be for like a night or two in game, and then I'll move to something else. And keep going. I think this will be a fun way to kind of like explore the Minecraft areas, see how things have changed a bit. Because I mean, these little like sandy looking grass stuff, that seems kind of new. So that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, a floating block. But yeah, I think that'll be pretty cool. So let's see here. I see a villager already. You know, I find it cool that they have these little button things. It's a nice way to decorate it. Oh, a young villager. So let's see what's in here. I love the little cactus plants, the potted cactuses. These are cool. And the green beds. I don't know, something about these little desert homes. I kind of like how they style these. So I already have a place to stay for the first night in this game. And I'm going to see what resources they have. So let's see here. I got bread. Look how cute this is. Just a little one outdoors. Oh, this is a small home. Oh, hey, it's a cat. Hello. I'll need to go mining in there or something. That one torch over there. Smaller kitty. Hi. What's over here? Was that? Oh yeah, that's the thing I've collected. Yep. Maybe I'll collect a few of these hay bales too. Hello! Don't run! Hi. Hi. Where's it going? I think I'm a steal a cactus. Wahaha. Oh yeah, I dropped one of these items. Hehe. Stealing the potted cactus as well. Let's see what's in this building. These ones look pretty much the same. I don't see any more chests. Oh yeah, the whatchamacallit. The thing you can get sticks from. I can't remember the name of these plants for some reason, but these are pretty cool. I'll let that stay. Tempted to get it, but it's a nice decoration. It's a nice little area. It's cozy. Whichever villager lives here is probably pretty happy with the home. Hello. What do you have? Oh, if I get clay, I can trade for emeralds. Maybe I'll have to find some clay. Let's see what's in here. Oh hey, one clay. You trying to saw your feet? Do you have long toenails? Alright. Hello, sir. Hello to you too. Hello, sir. Oh, another chest. Nice. Maybe this could be a good spot to start mining some stuff. Or not much over here. I need these. That cat just got a rabbit. I suppose that'll be cool, having some rabbit hide. Anyways, I need these. I think these are potatoes. I need them to grow because I want to collect some of the potatoes. This dude is just guarding the well, aren't you? Okay, I'll have to make a pickaxe so I can start mining and getting some tools. And also an axe, in case if I run across any trees. So, I don't know how I'm gonna get some stone without having a pickaxe to make that stone. But I need some wood as well. So, this is the dilemma we're having here. Is this a sign that we just need to travel more? Perhaps. So for now, I'll put this in my inventory. Because I suppose it means I'll have to look around a bit. So if I'm overlooking the village here, it looks like the desert just keeps going that direction. And kind of all around, really. So. Oh yeah, I can see in the distance the little flowers they have on the cactus over there. I can get some sugarcane and stuff, so I'll have to hold off on the mining until I get something to mine with. Because I didn't get any of the starter chests when you spawn in the game. Because I didn't want to do it that way, so. Let's see here. Oh, what are these trapdoors? Oh, that's a compost. Oh, that's kind of cool way to do that. Cactus flower. That's pretty cool. Where is the sun currently? Because it looks like the sky's getting dark. Oh, what's so... One of the little, pyramids things over there. I'll have to do that. I'll have to go there. So, the sun is starting to set, so I'll pick a spot for my character to stay in. And then I'll head off to the desert temple. Ooh, that's a nice bed. I'm gonna steal that bed for my travels. One of the bundles! I love these things. They are so cool. So, I got one bundle, and I can dye it green, perhaps. Oh yeah, I need to smelt the cactus so I can get the green dye. And then I'll have a green bundle, so that would be pretty cool. Oh yeah, I was gonna take this bed. So I'm taking some sugar cane, and I should probably take some glass in case I want a window in a nice little window in one of my temporary areas that I stay. Because I'm not always going to be around a village, so I'll have to make some. Yay! Oh, what's in there? Oh, nice, a little cave under there in the water. Aww. That's cute looking. What happens if I try to ride it? Where are you going, dude? Well, there's some trees. Alright, this is a pretty good spawn. You get quite a bit of resources, don't you? So I'm at the temple area. And I'll need to make sure that I destroy the pressure plate there. I can't remember when mining it. I think it's good when you mine it. Oh yeah, it should be. So first, let's get one of those trees. That way I can, get a pickaxe so I don't just fall down completely. So, because that would be kind of inconvenient. Especially trying to get my way out. Pumpkins! There's pumpkins! There's a little waterfall over there. Nice! Okay, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna need to see what this seed is. Can I see? There you go. Huh, nice. -8573880444183813977. Huh, nice. This is pretty cool. I like that. Oh, and then I got some yellow and red flowers. I'll have to do some of that. Or put some of that into the little bag here. So for now it's a bit of random stuff, but I can organize it better later. Jungle tree! That can grow more and become a, the cocoa beans. And then I can have my character have cookies for her travels. So that'll be really cool. How cute! I forgot they added other wolf designs. Hi! Hi! You're so adorable. I am really loving this. I think this is my favorite Minecraft seed. It just has such a variety and it's pretty cool. Ocelots! They're so adorable. I like those dudes. Heh, the start on making cookies for my character. So I'll leave like 4 of those for now. Perhaps I can grow some somewhere for later, temporarily. And imagine if I forget them and end up like going in circles or something and end up back at a base I've made before. That would be pretty cool. Probably shouldn't go too far over there yet because I want to check out what's in that temple. Firefly bushes! Yes, these are awesome. I love the firefly bushes. I am so glad they added these things. I need to get some iron at some point so I can collect some vines because those are pretty cool. It's a parrot. Where did it go? Oh, there you go. Hi! You're so adorable. Wait, wait, wait. Can I feed you? Hey! You're flying away! Come on! Why are you flying away? What if I go over here and then just kind of crouch? You'll fly to me? Hello? The parrot. Where's it going? Is it flying away? I think it's flying away. I don't know if my character's supposed to crouch and it'll come towards it. Maybe. Is it like the ocelots where you have to wait slowly. Where'd it go? Hello? Do I need to maybe make cookies for it? I know that's at one point making cookies for it, but I feel like seeds should work, shouldn't it? I don't know. Well, I was able to give it one seed, but I couldn't tame it. So maybe that means I need to get more seeds. So he's over there. If I collect some of this, I might be able to get more seeds and perhaps tame it. There's another one over there. And what is that creature over there? It's a cow. Nice. Let's see. Hey, you're flying too high. Did not work? No! Don't fly away. Hey, you! Did I get it? Oh! Hi! Hi! I got two! I got two parrots! Hi, my dudes! You gonna fly with me? They fly with me! I got my parrots! You're so awesome! I love that. I love that. I love that. I now have two parrots as pets. I am so happy! Okay, that's awesome. Let's see. Am I going too fast? They seem to be following. I hope I'm not going too fast. I need to go to this desert temple and make a little shelter with it. That way I can explore it once it's daytime. Okay, they're following still. I'm pretty sure I don't need to worry about going too quickly, but I keep checking back because I'm just so excited. I got those two parrots. Not one, but two. Will they go in here? Oh, that one just spawned through. Where's the other one? Hello? Where is it? Maybe it'll appear. It's on my shoulder. That's so cute. If I go to... what was it? That's so neat. Hello, sir. Hello, my lovely parrots. Now let's change to the other viewpoint. Hello. It's hard to see my character's mohawk, but it's neat. I got my parrots. I got my parrots. Isn't it so cool? I am so happy. Anyways, I should set up bed and get my character some sleep. How do I walk in this view? Wahaha. My lovely companions. They will follow me throughout and help me with whatever this character is, shenanigans it comes up to. I almost don't want to break the bed because my parrots are on it. I don't need to do that yet anyways. I need to make a little crafting table so I can get some tools. I want to get a torch so I can put a torch on here, but you will. Aw, their little flaps of their wings. So let's see. Okay. Whew. Now let's see what there is. Ooh, some emerald and stuff. Bones. There's some pretty nice stuff. What are those books? Fire aspect. Ooh, just gonna break the chest to get all this stuff. Because that's pretty cool. So let's see. Enchanted book, Fire Aspect 1. Enchanted book, Unbreaking 2. Nice! That'll be pretty cool. I'm not going to add these to anything quite yet, but that'll come in handy at some point. You know, I'm wondering if they used, like, flapping papers to make that sound of the birds, because that's kind of what it sounds like it is. That'd be pretty cool if so. I don't know. Makes me curious. So I'm kind of mining a stairway up. That way I can just kind of... I can get back down if I need to anyways, and then... Let's see, what time of the day... Okay, about noon in the game, so I'll take my character's bed and travel. I'll also take my little crafting table. I could do something cool with this temple if I wanted to. But I also want to start exploring the jungle as well. Yeah, I suppose it'd be a good opportunity to make a little base in the jungle anyways. Like a little tree house. Melons! Nice. Oh yeah, I need to make a axe as well. Got the pickaxe, and I need to get some stone so I can get some better quality tools. So that'll be good. Let's see what I can find in this area here. Quite a bit. These dudes flap a lot. Flap. Like their wings. Yeah. I might have to make them sit sometimes because that sound is very... I suppose this neat little background noise. Ooh, bamboo. Nice. So I'm gonna see what friendly creatures at 25 for audio is gonna do. I can kind of hear them, but it's not as noisy. Maybe I'll set it to like 30. There you go, it's at 30, so now I can still hear them, but it's not like too loud. Oh wow, there's a lot of melons here. Some nice watermelon, and then also some cookies. I need to get some wheat for that though. Imagine if we made cookies in real life like we do in Minecraft. Just put cocoa beans and wheat together. I feel like it'd be very crunchy or powdery. Oh hey, cool. Now I can put torches on top of my crafting tables because it's satisfying to do so. And I'm also getting some stone because I want to use some stone tools. So I can finally Mwah! Fits perfectly in the box, and it's so satisfying, and I love that. Anyways, I'm thinking once night comes, my character will stay in this little area. So I'll make a small little underground area. And then next time, I'm thinking of making like a tree house or something. That might be pretty cool. There's a third one. Now I have 3! Okay, now that is amazing. Now this is pretty cool. Look at that. I got my parrots. I am starting like an army or something. Look at this. Ain't that so cool? If I move fast, I can see my character's mohawk. Yeah, this is amazing. And I just realized something. These parrots match me. They have little mohawk-looking things, too. So is my character just a parrot in human form? Maybe that is it. Maybe that's what's going on. My character just looks like a darker green version of that green parrot. Kind of. Now, I've thought of my character as like a goblin or type character. Some little green dude. But maybe she's just really a parrot in human form. And that's why she has this army of parrots. That is absolutely amazing. Oh yeah, I forgot that the way you place it looks different depending on what view you have your character in. That's really funny. Yeah, I have my army of parrots. I wonder if I back... I got 2 of them. Hello, my lovelies. So that means I can have 2 parrots on my shoulder with another one following us. This is amazing. Now let's see. I'm gonna organize this more. I'm starting to put some items in a chest that I won't really need for my character's travels. I am so excited my character has cookies. You know, it's kind of funny that it used to be... Like, I wonder how many people don't realize that it's changed so you can't just get, feed cookies to parrots. The only reason I knew it changed was because I saw a YouTube video of somebody saying what happens if you feed cookies to parrots. I'm like, wait, they changed it? Yeah, they changed it. Which, I mean, I understand why they don't want to encourage feeding cookies to parrots, considering a lot of kids play the game. I mean, not that you should really do a lot of things that your characters do in Minecraft anyways, but I suppose I understand why, but yeah, I wonder how many people don't realize, ones that haven't played in a while. But yeah, I have a lot of cookies in this game now. Nice! Yay! This is a neat little area. Not much to the base, but I'm gonna add on to it. I'll probably have my character stay another night in this base, and then I'll start traveling to another spot. I'll probably have to, make more beds, that way I can set my spawn point. There's iron. Why did I just mine that dirt with the pickaxe? Anyways. Yay! A piece of iron. That's pretty cool. I'll need to make, the, furnace. That way I can... Let's see. What if I put the furnace there? Yeah, kinda neat. I'm gonna get more wood here. There you go. That's pretty cool. So it's raining in this game. The parrots seem to be liking it. They're all in and out outside. Do you like the rain, buddy? Yeah. Quite interesting. I wonder what parrots in real life think about the rain. Do they find it relaxing or is it aggravating? I wonder how it affects their flying. Like if it adds any challenge to flying or not. I don't know. There you go. We have a little firefly bush over here. Adds a little bit of that. Okay, it's still raining in the game. Oh, starting to lighten up. Little firefly dots. Okay, I got green dye, and let's see, I should probably leave some other stuff here, because I don't need all of this. I'm sure I can find sugarcane again. I don't have a current use for it, so I'll leave some sugar here. And yeah, the sugarcane as well. I can find seeds easily, and I got 3 parrots already, so don't necessarily need those. I'll continue sorting through in a moment. Right now, I need a ton. Yay! I got a green bundle. I got a green bundle. This is so amazing. I absolutely love this. So I thought of something. What if I do the lime green? So I can have a green bundle and a lime green bundle. This regular bundle looks almost lime green, or kind of like a dull lime green. But yeah, I'll have to do that. And then, so I got that. I don't need that many of, let's see here. And then I'll make another bundle so I can have a lime green one. So I turned the hay bales into wheat, and so I'll probably leave a, 55 cookies here, and you get some wheat to make more cookies as these things grow, if I ever end up back at this base somehow. Which, I mean, there's a chance. And then I'll be like, oh hey, cookies, oh hey, I can make more cookies. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. So I do need leather to make the bundle. So once I have the leather, I can get a lime green bundle. And I think, I can't remember how many rabbit hides you need for stuff, so I don't know. Okay, you do need 4. So, now I don't really intend to go down hunting rabbits, because, for one, they're a bit of a challenge to hunt, and for two, I don't feel like it yet. And I don't need another bundle quite yet anyways, it's fine. I'll just put it here for later. Definitely keeping the cactus, because that's a source of green dye, and I like that. Plus, I can grow more. Like, what if I want to make a home that is cactuses? And you can put things on top of the cactus, too, so you can have a roof. So if I have a home that has cactus walls, that would be pretty cool looking. I've done that a few times when playing the game, and I always like how it looks. It's just so neat. So yeah, I think it's good to have my little cactuses here. There we go. My thing is a bit better organized. This is the stuff I'm leaving. I have some stuff in this little bundle. I might organize better later on, but for now I'll embrace the chaos. You know, I kind of like leaving the bed there, but I also need some beds for travel in this game. So, yeah, I'll take the bed. I do like that I can set my little spawn point, but I also am gonna lose items when I die in this game, because I don't have keep inventory on this one, or I think I don't. Yeah, I don't, because I purposely made it so I don't have... Oh, hey, hello. Because I know in my Minecraft realm I have keep inventory, but on this I didn't want that, because I don't need it in this. I'm not prioritizing building as much. I mean, I like looking at the creative builds. Mangrove logs. Oh, these are kind of neat. What's this? Potion of invisibility. I don't really need anything at the moment. I could get the vines, or... Ooh, pale hanging moss. Okay, that I'll admit is pretty cool and kind of tempting. I also would have to get out my emeralds, and I don't know if I want pale hanging moss. Maybe. So, I got the pale hanging moss. It looks kind of cool. So, yeah. I got it. Ooh, more firefly bushes. I've already stayed 2 nights in that cave, so I've got to find another spot, because, I mean, I suppose I could do a 3rd night, but I'd like to avoid staying 3 nights in one place with this little challenge here. So, let's see. I mean, I suppose my character could do a little camp out. Oh, this would be a nice place to build something if I wanted to. Make a little base. Suppose my character can sleep to the sound of the waves. And then, let's see here. I'm thinking I can make a boat and travel very far. I don't know how far, but, you know, until I find something. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Look at all the fish they added. It's so neat. I love that they added all this stuff. I don't know, I just keep comparing it, thinking about when I first started, they did not have... I mean, it was literally just like 3-4 blocks deep, and now they have turtles, different fish, and a whole bunch of stuff. They have like so much that they used to not have, and I absolutely love it. Like, being able to just see all the changes from when I first started playing. It's just so neat. And it was fun then, and it's still fun now. It's not like it really necessarily made it, you know, any better or worse. It's just different, and these new additions, it's just fun to compare. No, man, I do definitely love all the additions they made, but I still really like the original version too, considering I could actually hide in the water to hide from enemies. I did that all the time, and then the product update and stuff like that, and I'm like, oh, I can't do that anymore. But it's fine. It adds a little challenge, and I suppose that's pretty good. If I don't want to worry about enemies, I can go to peaceful mode, like with this little character here. So let's see here. I gotta make a boat. Well, time to set off for an adventure to wherever this journey brings me. And away we go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a next day, and not sure exactly when I'll have part 2. Whenever I end up doing it, I guess.